when I'm going through deepest darkness. There is no need to be afraid, for you are my shepherd and my protector. You always give me strength when I am weak. My God is able, my God has power. My God is too faithful to me. He can do all the impossible. There is